These cars are so
Yeah, they're just a lot.
Hi guys, welcome back to New Breed.
The only one that matters.
Facts!
So, it's just the two of us today. We're going to be having a discussion about the recent...
Microwave place!
Okay.
Larry!
Yeah, microwave.
Calling you out!
All of that. What's wrong with you? It's not funny.
On site, bro.
It's not funny. Like, basically, Larry's baby mama came onto like the TL and she made like a whole thread about how he is basically an abusive boyfriend and that he has like zero time for like their baby. Like, apparently he even like when she was pregnant, he even like hit her.
Allegedly hit her.
I don't think so. I think he did.
Alleged.
He did. Okay, fine. Allegedly. But I know he did that.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so she went to post a thread on Twitter. You know, going in about how he used to abuse her. She's tired of not speaking out, that she's been quiet for too long.
Yeah, the fact that like he knew that like she wasn't gonna say anything because of who he is, and she's tired of that. So
she tried to talk to him, but he doesn't listen. He says, I remember on the text, I'm gonna put it up. It's basically you are saying on the text message, you're saying that he's sorry, it's not gonna happen again, that she knows.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
and then it was like, but you need to stop making me feel like you can leave at any time. Yeah, see, when he said that, that's it.
I think that's when she just lost it, because the disrespect, how can you like just disregard somebody's feelings just like that and make it about yourself?
Yeah, also like you can't justify abuse.
Yeah.
And she said that like her problem wasn't the abuse. She said that her problem is the fact that he has no time for their child. And so, that's what has her tired.
So she's not tired of the abuse. She's tired that he doesn't have time. Okay, maybe both played a both motivated each other.
But I think like the thing for her main concern is their child. Which is normal for any type of mom because your children will always come first.
I remember there was another girl that was a few months ago.
I think it was like his ex-girlfriend.
Yeah, she also has a baby.
She also said that like he's just a deadbeat, like
This is the thing with me, you know. I've never really expressed how I feel about children and pregnancy and and stuff. And I just feel like if you're not mature enough to have a child or to have that responsibility, why bring somebody into this world then? Because it's a choice at the end of the day, right? I'm not judging, because it will always feel like if I'm talking about it, that's why I never talk about it. It will always appear like I'm judging. But at the end of the day, when you bring somebody into this world, you being unprepared, and you know yourself, right? So, how many? Just think about the amount of people that you're inconveniencing if you're bringing in somebody knowing that you're gonna be acting a certain way.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm just saying, like, we all in different, people are in different professions and stuff. Like, some people are club promoters, some people are business people or something. But if you can't prioritize time management, if you can't separate your work from your family, or you can't split the two, why bring people into this world? And I know that sometimes people are going to be like, no, but you don't understand. In that situation, you were ready.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And that's what upsets me, because you don't think, in the situation you're ready, you feel like you can start a family, right? Or you start the family by accident and be like, okay, we're going to make this work. And you don't really make it work at the end of the day. You give the baby mama false hope, you know? So
like you should have said from the beginning if you just knew that, like, that's not what you want, is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Like, you say, be brave to speak up for yourself so you have some dignity. You lose dignity because you say you're not ready and you don't want to be there for the child. Okay, you said it. But the baby mama will know, okay, this person doesn't want to be part of the person.
And like now we get there and there's a whole like human being involved. And I would just like to say, first of all, shout out to her, because it must have taken a lot for her to be like, okay, you know what, I'm going to like come out about this.
Especially considering it's been done before and nothing will happen.
Yeah, and also considering the backlash that women get when they speak out about like against abuse and stuff like that. So shout out to her for that. I'm just really sad about the fact that like there's not going to be microwave boys anymore. Like I just really hope
that's
Sipho and
that's weird.
you would have like continued without Larry.
That's
because I really enjoyed that. I really did enjoy microwave boys. I mean, I watched it because Sipho was funny.
I wasn't a real fan, but I
watched it because Sipho was the funniest.
I knew that they were well known. I knew that they had a very successful channel and people were watching them.
Yeah.
It's just, you know, even if I don't know them, it just doesn't feel right, you know. Instead of replacing, I know they said that I think who was it? Larry. He was the one that like initially came up with the idea and everything. But when you have a group, when it becomes a group, now it becomes bigger than just one person. Because if the one person messes up, then you can either just replace the person or, you know, but maybe they didn't want to be involved.
Apparently he's the one that started it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe that they don't want to be involved or be associated in that light.
Yeah.
Because every time people are going to say microwave boys, they're going to think, you know what I'm saying? So, but it's just sad, man. But they did say that they're not going to stop making content on the channel that they're making content on. So they want to continue doing that. So. But
yeah, like I really want to send like a big shout out to her for even like deciding to like leave that situation, because some people never find the strength to leave.
So a lot of people that haven't left yet. That are still
there's a lot of people that haven't, and I think like maybe you coming out about the abuse that like you went through and all of that, maybe it just shows like other people that, you know, like you're not alone. Especially having like seen like or having experienced like abuse. Like I know that my aunt has been like in an abusive marriage, and it got to the point where he beat her up so much that like she went to hospital, and that's how we found out. You know what I mean? So and even then, like I know that she didn't want us to find out like that. So that's what I'm saying, like I salute you for coming out about that and bringing to light the type of person that he is. That way, those that are around him or those that are closest to him can realize that, okay, you know what, this person does have a problem. Because she did say that, like, he did say that he's gonna get help, and he never did that.
Yeah.
So maybe the people around us can, like, force the people around him to, like, help him get help.
It's deep, and you know, and a lot of people that have been in abusive relationships say that the abuser tries to turn themselves into a victim, so they try to, you know, get the people on their side, say, yeah, you're turning on me now, I thought you were my friend, type of vibe.
Yeah.
You know, so big shout out to you for standing up, because we don't know how that will affect your career or that will affect your life
or your child.
Exactly.
But I think it's also a good thing, because like you can't, like, I feel like if he doesn't get help, he's really like gonna like, isn't it gonna like affect? Yeah, it's also gonna affect the child.
Yeah. You know, when you don't care, the people just. If you don't care, you don't care.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If you don't care, you don't care. You can't half care. You can't 25% care. If you don't care, you don't care. So yeah, that's just our views. We're supporting you during this time. Yeah. So yeah.
And I hope like your child, well, he starts becoming like the type of father that your child deserves. Like I genuinely believe that like everyone deserves a dad who's present in their lives.
Facts. Present and doing the right thing. It's not just present and doing weird stuff.
Like if you don't want to
if you don't want to do weird right stuff, just don't.
And not just like dads only, but like moms as well. Like every child deserves a parent who's invested in their well-being, who cares about them.
Plays a big role.
Yeah, because that also, it plays a big role in how you grow up in like your views on love, your views on life and stuff like that, and how you end up treating the people around you.
Exactly.
So
don't make your kids get scars, yo.
Yeah, don't do that.
But yeah, guys, that's our views on the whole matter. We hope things work out.
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's deep. Yeah, I don't know what to do now afterwards. No, finish it.
Yeah, guys, please
Please support, not us. Please support her.
Yeah.
During this time.
And also, like, if you guys know that like your friends are like abusers.
Yeah.
stop harboring them, guys.
Yeah.
Like, these are like serious things. Like, if you know that your friends are deadbeats,
Yeah.
if you know that your friends are
Hey,
abusers.
I once approached my friend that was a deadbeat. You know, it didn't end well. I almost caught hands.
You almost
Like,
caught
hey,
hands.
at night,
But it's
bruh.
just like, if you're a deadbeat, you're a deadbeat.
I know, but like, that's what people are afraid of. You know, I almost caught hands at night and I didn't even see it was him. I was warned that this person's coming. So that's why I'm saying I almost caught hands. I was warned by a friend that this person's on the way.
Yeah.
So I was able to dip real quick.
Okay, guys, so basically, in conclusion, what I'm saying, like, my stance is that if you are in the power to speak up against it, like, if you have the power to speak up against abuse, or you know someone, and yeah, like, if you are in the power to speak up about it or speak out against it, then, you know, speak out against it.
If you are happy with that decision, because you don't want to be caught up in a wave where you're regretting the decision you're making based on just because you wanted to help somebody, and now you are sitting with a leg that is broken, or you're sitting in hospital, and you regret the decision that you made. Be proud of the decision that you make and follow through on them. Don't just do something based on peer pressure, because it's just as bad. If now I'm just gonna do something because not everybody's doing it now, but
I just feel like if you're quiet about, like, if you know an abuser, you know that someone is doing this to their girlfriend and you're quiet about it, you are an enabler.
I understand, I hear
and
you.
you are part of the problem.
And you're absolutely right. But I feel like, you know, in this day and age, a lot of things happen in people's lives.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of the things that people that happen to them, they are the cause of them. So I just feel like sometimes, I'm not saying mind your own business or anything like that. I'm just saying, if you're going to stand up for somebody, be proud of that decision. Don't backtrack on it. You know what I'm saying? I don't support that notion of standing up for somebody, and then once it's time to face the smoke, now you're switching out. You know what I'm saying?
Like, you should be about the smoke.
Exactly. So if you're gonna go out there and stand up for somebody, stand up for them and be proud of your decision, because it's no use if now you're gonna say, no, I just did it because of peer pressure. That's why I'm saying, if you're gonna do it because of peer pressure,
I get you.
You don't have any leg to stand on.
Yeah.
If somebody asks you, why did you stand up for this person? How does it affect you? How did it spark you? Let's say one day you get into an interview and then they ask you, how, why? Because people get genuinely asked, how does it fit with your life? And now you're sitting there like, no, I just did it because everyone was doing it.
Okay. No, I understand what you're saying. Well, guys, please do comment, like, and subscribe. Tell us, like, what you guys think. What are your thoughts on the whole thing? But yeah, like, big ups to her. I genuinely, like, I salute her for coming out about it, and I hope that, like, more people can, like, draw from her strength and start, like, speaking out and publicly shaming abusers, because this is something that we need to take a stand against.
I agree. I'm not like these other YouTubers. You must subscribe by force. See you guys on the next video.